We are in the Bluebird and making progress. So we've actually been doing a lot of work at the laundromat. We have to get that other extra laundromat, the commercial side, ready for installation for some dryers, washers, and this big fancy ironer that I cannot wait to have. So we worked on that all day yesterday with the Murphy clan. We got a lot done, which is great, but we started attacking the Bluebird, so we're getting there. We're trying to make it look fancy, change a lot of light bulbs. We're now in the process of going through all of the stuff, getting rid of things we don't need, organizing and cleaning. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no time. We gotta do it all.
There's no time. We're trying to open up in like a week, or at least be ready to start prepping food in a week so we can do some trial stuff and then open up at least before Mother's Day. That is the goal. We'll see. Look at that view. Are you kidding me? Lake Erie is literally right there. Perfect place. There will be like patios and chairs and all the good stuff out here. So you can just grab a sandwich and sit there. Beautiful. Quick break for some lunch, and we've got a gift for our buddy J. Michael because we went to Ireland and he loves Ireland. So we're gonna give that to him now because he's probably working in the hotel. He's gone. He's usually here. We lost him.
Oh no.
Oh no. Yo, what's up, man?
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We had a nice little chat with J. Michael. And like I said, time for lunch and then more work on the Bluebird. Yo, I just took a nap on this floor. I think I slept for like an hour and a half. My wife has already been gone cleaning up the Bluebird. I gotta go. We've gotta go help her. I've made it. She's been cleaning. It looks wonderful.
Not yet.
We're going to try to move this. This is a yogurt machine. It came from the storage unit. I got it in here by myself. It is the heaviest thing I've ever touched. Yeah, I got it in here by myself. It was ridiculous because it is so heavy and it's sick. So we're going to try to get it down these steps and then these steps. Wish us luck. Plan. That thing is so heavy. I don't think we can even get down the stairs by ourselves, but there's actually the back door that you've seen, like Lake Erie is right there, but there's a patio and there's a sidewalk that goes all the way around. We're gonna see if we can go take off that wood for a second and go through that door instead of down all the steps. Oh man. Looks like we need some star bits. I don't have that right now. Well, the drill is dead. We're gonna go clean while it charges and then take off the wood to get the dang frozen yogurt thing in the doors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine if we had rolled that all the way down, like your wife had
Oh
said.
man.
You're a smart
No,
boy.
I just love you. slowly getting there and looking at least a bit cleaner. So that's good.
Yay!
Yay. And we're starting to paint it more matte blue instead of the in-your-face blue. That'll be nice.
That's nice.
And so many things to go. But now we're done in here for tonight. We got to go get dinner and actually buy some groceries. And maybe some more tools.
Ooh,
I love tools.
me too.
Okay, we will see you in the next one. Peace.